Hey guys, so bringing you guys another quick video. This is going to be a review, unboxing, swatching situation going on. We're going to be unboxing this Rare Beauty kind of like holiday package that I think is really gorgeous. So it's like this little bag that is really pretty. As you guys can see, the quality is amazing. And then in the bag we have the Blush and Glow 4-piece mini set for $34, and then we have all the above weightless eyeshadow stick for $22, and then we have the everyday rose lip oil and liner duo for $25. Now keep in mind that this is kind of like a build it yourself type of thing, so you get to go on their website, pick the bag, and then pick the products that you would want to go in the bag. I think this is like freaking amazing as a gift for any makeup lover out there. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys. As you guys can see, I'm starting off with the Blush and Glow mini set. I went ahead and I swatched. I don't even know what shade that was. Sorry guys. I'm just gonna swatch them. I will leave the name and everything in the description box below. I love how small these things are. You can literally take it, throw it in your little bag, and go without having to worry about the product taking up a lot of space in your bag. So I think that that's really amazing. Again, they have different ones, so if these shades are not really for you, I think that there are other ones that you can pick. Look at that, so gorgeous. So I'm gonna move on to the everyday rose lip oil and liner duo. You can get different ones. If this is not the shade for you, they have different colors, different shades on there. So this goes for $25. I really love the lip oil. I love that it leaves like a stain on your lips. So for whatever reason, if the oil comes off, you still have that stain on your lips, and you can just apply some lip gloss and still have that effect on it. So I think that that's really pretty. So moving on is the last thing in the bag, and this is the all of the above weightless eyeshadow stick. I believe it's $22 for one. I'm not sure. I will leave that in the description box below, but this is what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you. Now let me be very honest with you guys. I have used a lot of different eyeshadow sticks, and I will say that the Rare Beauty one is by far my favorite. It's so easy to blend. I've used eyeshadow sticks that blending them was like a nightmare. Like it was a lot, but with this one it's so easy to move, and it blends in so well with whatever eyeshadow base. So it blends in so well with whatever transition color that you may have or that you may use. So I really do love it. I also love how nice the colors are. It's not too much. It's something that you can wear for literally any occasion. So I think that that is really nice. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I think that this is a perfect gift idea for anybody who is into makeup, and I really do love Rare Beauty and what it stands for. Literally every product that they come out with has a name that is just uplifting and just affirmative. So I really love that. Give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.